Okay guys, so I'm back, and as you can see, I switched bodies. I put this Made to Move doll back on her body, and I put this doll on Nayshell's body. Sorry, not Nayshell, on Jasmine's body, because they look alike to me. And I put Jasmine on this doll original body. So I'll back up so you can see. I'm sorry, I'm terrible at explaining this. I am not good with this. I promise one day I will get better, hopefully. So I did switch them out, and I did decide to put her on the lighter body, which I think is not too bad. I'm gonna have to work with it. I think the lighter body is better, because actually this body, when you look at the face from this doll and this doll skin tone, it was just too dramatic. This one is just slightly better, although you can see it. So I'm gonna get on with it because I keep saying the same thing over. So let's go ahead on and let's just Normani her out. So guys, I'm sitting in front of my computer, and this is a picture of Normani, and I'm looking at her hairstyle. And as you can see, as I move closer, she got like white rubber bands in her hair, and she have these big hoop earrings, which I can't make the hoop earrings for my doll, but I can put the rubber bands in her hair. But I have the clear ones, and I will try to somewhat do this outfit if I can do it. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I have some little clear rubber bands here that I will be putting into her hair to style her up, and a little comb. Okay guys, so I will attempt to do her hair. I know the top part of her hair is in rubber bands coming to the back, and the back of her hair is hanging down, but it's wavy, so that means I would have to braid it. Although I know Normani hair is darker, but I'm gonna work with what I have, okay? So let's see if I just take a comb, and I'm gonna comb through her hair a little bit just to make it a little more manageable. Then I'll make a few parts on the top. And let's see, maybe I can start here. Excuse my crazy looking nails. I polished them and they're messy. So I'll make a part coming from this way. I'll bend the doll head. Gotta see what I'm doing. This light is in my face and it's very bright. That's why sometimes, guys, we do things off camera, because you really can't see what you're doing. So it looks like I'm gonna have to come back. I made the first little part, if you can see it, and I'm gonna have to come back, and then I'll show you what I did to her hair. So guys, what I basically did was I parted her hair from the back all the way across. I'll turn it around so you can see. So this back part of her hair, I'm going to braid it and dip it in hot water so that it's a little wavy, so it gives it a little texture to her style. And the top of her hair is going to be the ones I'm going to put in all these little clear plastic rubber bands to give it that style. So I shall return. So as you can see guys, I started the braids already in her hair. And I just braided it and put the little rubber band at the tip. It don't go all the way to the tip because it slides off. And you don't need a lot of braids, just a few, because I just want to get a little bit of waves in her hair. Just like I'm going to have to do the same thing for the top of her hair. For the top, I'm going to have to do the same thing. I'm going to have to braid it. So I'm just going to braid it. I can't hold the camera and braid. I wish that I could. So I'll just come back with it. Okay guys, so I finished braiding her hair. I put 3 braids in the back, as you can see, 3, and I did 3 braids, and I did 3 braids on the top. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dip it into hot water so that it's wavy. I'll be back. Okay guys, her hair is completed, and I'm going to dip her head into the hot bowl of water. And I gotta be careful because stuff is hot. I don't want to burn myself. So that is one way you do it when you're trying to get your doll hair wavy. You can do that and just let it emerge. Okay guys, I'm gonna take her out of the hot water. And as you can see, dripping wet. Oops, her hair's dripping wet. So I'm just gonna go and dry it off. You see those braids? Look nice. So hopefully it's nice and crimply. Okay, so I dried her hair for a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is take them out and I'm gonna begin styling it. I want to show you step by step. That's why I'm doing this. So if anyone asks, they can see. I mean, it's real simple to do. It's just time consuming. I'm not doing nothing that no one else can't do. And it's actually fun. It's fun seeing how this project turns out. Okay, I'll be back. And as you can see, her hair is crimply and I didn't put that many braids. So now, sorry about the back wall, is messy. So now it's just time to style it. You see, and I think that's pretty. And actually I like this doll hair texture. I'm not sure what type of hair is in her head, but I really love it. It's very manageable. Okay guys, I finished the top of her hair and I think it's pretty cute. I got these little fat fingers, so it's not easy to put these little tiny rubber bands in her hair. So yep, this is the way it came out. Just like 4 rubber bands, and I just attached them together. So now all I need to do is take out the braids in the back of her hair and just let it hang down, and then her hair is styled, and then we'll go on to making her outfit. Okay guys, her hair is all done. That's the style it's supposed to be in, up in these little rubber bands on the top, up into a ponytail, and the back hangs down with a little bit of waves to it, although it look like some of the waves are coming out, but still it sort of looks like Normani hairdo. Okay, I shall return. Okay guys, I'm back, and as you can see, my doll still has no clothes. So I'm going to take some of this white fabric that I cut to make her an outfit, like a skirt. And here's the second piece for a top. And yeah, let's just say, let's get started. Guys, here you can see where I got the white fabric and I drew lines. Okay, going across her waist, it was like almost 2.5 inches wide, and then going down 2 inches down because the skirt has to be short. Okay, I just want to show you what I did. Okay, so I cut out her skirt, and now I just want to put it around her waist to see how it fits her. Okay, because I'm gonna have to sew it. I'm gonna hand sew. I have a brand new sewing machine and I'm scared to use it because when I opened it up the first time, I almost sewed my fingers together. So we're gonna see how this fit, and I can see that it's going to fit, and I'm just gonna sew it together. And guys, I'm doing this with one hand. I wish I had someone to hold the camera for me while I show you, but this is the best that I could do. So I'm gonna sew it, and then I'm gonna come back and show you what it looks like. For Normani's top, I cut like a rectangle, and it's about 4 inches long. It'll go all the way around her chest area where it's her little top. Okay, so I'll be back. So as you can see, this is her top that I made. Like I showed you, I just took a rectangle shape and just cut it, and I'm gonna turn her around, pull her hair down so you can see I just sewed it in the back. Real simple. And I'm going to use this. These are like these little stretchy little straps that I'm going to use, these elastic things, to make her straps on her top. Okay? Okay guys, so I just finished sewing her outfit. Okay guys, I just finished sewing her outfit. Here's the little skirt. Right, you know, I got it off to the side, and she got a little split on the side there. And then, sorry about the shaking, here's her top. All I did was sew those little elastic things on, and there you go. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dress the outfit up in some colorful markers that I have that looks like the outfit that Normani has on in the video. Hey guys, in this part of the video I'm just showing you how I made the outfit and how I took the markers and I drew, you know, her birth year and all of that. So customizing the doll is pretty fun to me, so just sit tight. I believe it's gonna have to be a part 3 because this is coming out pretty long, but I'm enjoying it, so I promise you, you will not regret waiting. Thank you so much. Okay. Now you guys know I have to bedazzle my girl up. This is really fun doing this customization. I think that I would like to do more of these, but hopefully as time goes along I get better at it. First time for everything, you know, you're not going to be the best at it, but I'm having fun with it, and I hope that you guys are having fun watching. Okay guys, so I did say I wasn't going to make her no earrings because I wasn't sure how I was going to put holes into the doll ears. So I figured it out, and right now you're looking at her and she's in this lovely dress. I had bought this used Asian doll and it came with this beautiful dress that I love. And these earrings that she have on is like 99-cent earrings. I bought like a pack of them. It's like maybe 10 pairs in there. And what you can do is you take the earring out of the pack and you just push it into the doll's ear. So sorry about the shakiness, but you can see the hole in her ear. Let me back it up. You can see it right there. And if you look at this little earring that's on this table, I took this part of the earring and I just pushed it into her ear, and that's how I got the hole. I can't show you on camera because I can't hold the camera and push the earring into the ear, but it goes in very easily. These are the white sneakers that she'll be wearing. I'm not sure if I want to bedazzle these shoes up. I don't want to do too much to it. I think these are super cute. You know, it's just a simple pair of white sneakers for the doll. Okay guys, here we go, the moment that we all been waiting for, and here is my full Normani custom doll. I decided to keep her with the plain white sneakers. I didn't want to do too much. Here's a skirt that says motivation. My graffiti not that good. I did the best that I could do. I gave her a cute little rhinestone like waist thing, or wannabe diamonds. And here's her 1996 shirt with her little diamonds on the top. I didn't have to do anything to her face. I did make the hoop earrings, and I left her face as it is. I didn't do no face paint or nothing. I thought she was perfect. So here she go, guys. And thank God I did not have to make a third video, because I really didn't. Wow, like this doll body is like goals. Okay, so here she goes. Sorry about the shakiness, but this is the way I will be able to show her to you. I hope you like her. It took me about 2.5 days to complete this project. I'm happy with it. I love the way she turned out, and I'll make sure that I put some nice photos up on Instagram, and I'll make a nice video of it with her, and maybe I can do a stop motion dance video. Okay guys, anyway, thanks so much for watching and supporting, and I'll see you next time.